Good morning, fams. Happy weekend and happy new week. Hope you are good. Hope you are good. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever the time zone you are watching this video. I greet all of you. How are you? How are you? How was the weekend? And hope you are preparing for the new week. I hope you are preparing for the week also. Already in the new week. We are enjoying our weekend. Hope you are preparing for the week also. So that's it. Trading is just let me just say trading is just a visible battle we all trader fight every day. So every day we are just fighting the invisible battle. Sorry. So let's just accept our fate since we have already our mind. We have already mind up our mind that this is what we are going into. And since we have already since we have already made up about it, so let's just believe and have the belief that one day we are going to succeed about it. Seriously, I that I'm talking, that I'm doing the video also. Yeah, I'm also battle with my own psychological factors. So say so no problem about it. So we are all you understand. Those professional traders also save. They also they what they are different about us is that they are battle with their own psychological factor, but they also learn every day. Don't let me lie. Don't let me lie to you. They also learn. They also earn every day. Everybody in this trading industry, we also we learn every day because since you can accept that trading is a business, you understand. So no matter what, you guys face your business and you guys what you guys have focus on it and discipline on it. So we are going to succeed on it seriously. It's just a matter of time. You understand? Because a child cannot stand up at one day and be walking. It just be crawling. You understand? Before crawling, it will stand up. It will stand up. Even when standing up, it will not start walking. It will just be up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down before it kill the fear to take a step. You understand? After killing the fear of taking the step, he will now start be walking. So that's how it is in life. Seriously. So they just those no don't let emotion kill us. So let's quickly dive into what we have in this week, what the market has for us this week, so we can react to it. Since we react to the market, we do not predict. You understand? Let's quickly. So this is forest factory. You already know. We always started with forest factory to look what news and to look at the high impact news we may have in this week. And if you can see, due to the news that what is happening in USA, you understand what is happening in their government official in USA is they are not giving us high impact news. If you can see the last week Friday NFP, which all fundamental trader have been expecting that it will happen. The news does not happen. It's tentative, which which may be delay, revision or cancel. You understand? And if you can see, this is it. USA government data may be impacted by the shutdown. Tentative effects are subject to delay, revision or cancel. You understand? No, the NFP which is no farm payroll. It came out a tentative, which we don't know, maybe there will be revision or delay, or they will cancel it. So this is what let's start from today. Tomorrow is Monday, while today is Sunday. This is Monday, October 6th. What do we have high impact news? We do not have impact news unless GBP, Governor Berlin speaks. He will be speaking around 6:30 p.m. So let's just know that if you can see this low impact news is giving us tentative. Let's move to Tuesday. Let's see maybe what we have October 7. What do we have on Tuesday? We do not have much on Tuesday. We do not have high impact news on Tuesday. You can see even NCD currency, if is even tentative save also. Let's look on October 8th. This is October 8th. There is high priority news on October 8th, which is Wednesday. Wednesday, which is around 7 p.m. o'clock. FOMC meeting. So they will be meeting. So we cannot say, and if you can see, usual effect is more hawkish than more hawkish than expected is good for the currency. So let's look on Thursday. What do we have on Thursday? On Thursday there's happening, but it is tentative also. So we cannot say anything for now because unless tomorrow, which is Monday, which we can look forward to the news. Maybe USA is going to give out. So, and you can, if you can see, this is the this is the NFP, non non-employment, non-farm payroll. You can see on September it is 79 is previous, which is August, and the forecast they are looking at 75. But what the actual gave us down on sector on September is low, low, which affect the economic of the USA. You understand? And Powell talk about the economic, you understand? So the news couldn't come out which is last week Friday. So let's see, I think they delay it and they put it to this week Friday. So you can see there is much high impact news, much high impact news on this Friday. So let's look for us. Maybe it will affect the market, or it won't, or it will be delayed, or it will be cancelled. You understand? Saying tentative is either delay, revision, or cancel. So let's drive into our chart and do our top down analysis to prepare for the week. You understand? As usual. I've forgotten. Welcome back. Please, you already know I'm supposed to introduce myself at first. My name is Aboiji 0001. Aboiji 001. You already know. Please kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share. You understand? Since you found this video meaningful and useful, kindly share it to others so that we can learn. We can learn, and we can build ourselves. We can build ourselves also. So let's move into the chat and see what the news asks for us, what the chat asks for us, so that we can print out blue this week. You understand? We print out blue. I pray may Almighty God make it easy for us so that we can our analysis will print us the proof so that the blue too will be you just if you just carry on play, you understand. Let's move to let's start for Ashisha. I started from XAUUSD, which is gold USD. Let's move to gold USD. Aside from monthly time frame, weekly and daily time frame. So monthly time frame, what monthly time frame then? What they do on monthly time frame to look at general overview of the market. You understand what market is trying to give us so that we can so that we can react. So that we can react to it. And if you can see, the market is giving us bullish. It's giving us bullish, which means we are seeing the uptrend. Let's move to weekly time frame. This is weekly time frame. This is our resistance and this is our support. These are what? Resistance and what? Our support, which is this is our previous resistance. This is our previous support and this is our previous resistance. So let's see. And if you can see, market is not trying to market has not created any high. It's just giving us bullish without adjustment, without looking back. So if market look back like this, yes, we are setting our buy from here up straight. So let's move to daily time frame. What do I do on daily time frame? Daily time frame is only just I just reacted to the recent to the swing high and what swing low, which is major high and major low. That's the recent major high and major low, which is recent swing high and swing low. And if you can see, this is our swing low, this is our recent swing low, right? And this is our recent swing high here. The market created for us. So definitely, if you can, we can expected market to come back here before what? Before continuing the bullish. And if you can see, let's use our Fibonacci retracement. These are Fibonacci retracement. And if you can see, market is coming here. This is 0.7786, which gold respected deep retracement before going up because that is our demand. This is our demand. And if this demand does not hold it, if this demand does not, you just break it, retest and come back to this demand because there is imbalance here. There is imbalance here, which market has not mitigated. So we'll be expecting it here. If it broke here with full body candle, come here, we just continue the buy. Let's move to 4 hours. What did I do in 4 hours? 4 hours is just to continue the trend, to follow the trend. Maybe it is uptrend or that trend. What I mean, maybe it's uptrend or that trend. As we plotted the swing low here, and the swing high here, market may definitely break the structure and trying to come down to this demand zone. You understand? Before going up. That's what I'm saying, we react to the market. But if market does not come here and we are seeing market is trying to break of structure without looking back, we just be trying to follow the break of structure. You understand? We just be trying to join the market, to continue the market on until we find a candlestick that break the recent recent lower high. That's why we now say the market has reversed. Since, and if you can see, we do not this is the recent break of structure here, and market has mitigated here. If we use, sorry for that, Fibonacci retracement, you see where market come back and trying to retest. So since we did not find anything, if you not find anything on 4 hours, you move to 1 hour time frame to see what market is doing if you can see, this is what market is doing on 1 hour time frame, and this is market reacted to this 1 hour. Since this is break of structure, market reacted here. As market reacted here, it's trying to what? is trying to push it up. This way I plotted on Friday that market will come back here and what and trying to dish up since there is FVG, and I use my own Fibonacci retracement. And if you can see, this is the Fibonacci retracement I use, and I'm expecting market to come back here before trying, but market is not looking back. This is internal break of structure, and this is the overall break of structure, but market has not come back here to break the structure, and market is just going up without looking back. I without looking back without looking back, I'm expecting market to come back here before and try to go up. But if we see market break this this recent low, definitely market is coming back down here. But as for now, let's see what market has for us. So this is what will happen on gold USD. So we will continue the buy from here before because we will continue the buy from here. Sorry, sorry for that. Sorry for that. I do not like talking too much. That's why I'm yawning. Seriously, I'm not the type of guy that talk too much. And that's why I'm yawning, because if I'm talking too much like this, I'll be just be yawning. So let's move to XAG USD. Let's see what is happening there. Let's see what is happening there. So let's see what's happening on USD. If you can see, let's move to monthly time frame. This is the monthly time frame, and if you can see, market has touched the high, the major high market created before trying to go down. And if you can see, this is the previous for monthly time frame. This is the previous monthly high, and markets break it, give it higher high, and this is the higher high. Market has not broken the higher high. So let us what do we do in this to continue the uptrend, since market has give us this is an uptrend market. Let's move to Wednesday. I said Wednesday, the weekly time frame. Sorry for that, Jare. Weekly time frame. Let's see what is happening in weekly time frame. And if you can see in weekly time frame, this is our recent resistance and this is our recent support, which market has not come back to do what? To touch it. Market has not come back to touch it. And let's move to daily time frame. Market did not give us any retracement of coming back. What do we do in weekly time frame? In weekly time frame, if you can see, this is our recent swing low, and this is our recent swing high. What do we do there? Since we have plotted this is the break of structure. Since we have plotted it, let's move to 4 hours to continue the uptrend. And in 4 hours, this is our uptrend. This is our the swing low, the previous swing low. Market gave us break of structure, and you can see this is our swing low. This is our swing low that gave us this high. And market has already give. If market break this with full body candle, it will give us another break of structure. But as for now, markets this this liquidity sweat for me. But let's move to 1 hour since it's daily. Let's see the 1 hour 1 hour has give us what? 1 hour has give us this break of structure, and this is the other block of 1 hour, which is demand zone of 1 hour. It is 4 hours, but we redefine it. It is 4 hours, but we have to redefine it to 1 hour, so that, and as we redefine it, I think it's much better because the stop loss we not much. You understand? You see, the stop loss won't much about it like that. So let's see what is going to happen. And if you can see, this is inner break of structure here. This is break of structure here. This is break of structure here, which market was respected. See, this is break of structure here. This is break of structure here, market respected. I set my break of structure here, but market did not came back to here. You can see market expected this break of structure, and this is the recent break of structure. You can see market is trying. I think market is trying to respect it and continue the uptrend. You can see. I think if you can see this is 1 hour break of really recent break of structure. But as you see, as you see it, we are going to 5 minutes to do the confirmation. And if you can see in 5 minutes, this is the break of structure here, and this is the high that created because and what do you see? Change of character. Market is coming here to what? To continue the uptrend. To continue the uptrend. To continue the uptrend. And if you can continue the uptrend, this is it. That is it. Market is coming here because market has give us this change of character here. Market is just coming here. After coming here, bullish straight. So we are still in bullish. Market is going up because this is the internal break of structure market gave us. This is the internal break of structure market gave us. Internal break of structure. You can see this is internal break of structure market gave us, and we move to 5 minutes to see the internal break of structure. And if you can see, this is the internal break of structure for 5 minutes. Market swept this place and came back to this 1 hour. After the 1 hour, what did the market do? Market is just trying to what? To give us, and this is the break of structure, and this is the high, which has turned to what? Change of character. Market is just coming here. After market is coming here, we are seeing bullish. Let's say 5 minutes, 5 minutes demand. This is 5 minutes demand. 5 minutes demand. The reason why I came to this 5 minute time frame to for confirmation entry is because that 1 hour is giving us rejection. That 1 hour order block, that 1 hour demand is giving us rejection. That's why I came to this 5 minutes to just follow the trend. And if you can see, this way I'm coming to, because we are continuing the what? We are continuing the bullish. But if market does not respect, if the market does not respect it, it is coming to this other block here and continue the uptrend. It is coming here to continue the uptrend. That is it. That is it. But it will first react in here. It's going to react here because there is FEG here. It's going to react here because there is inducement here. It's going to react here because there is inducement here. There is inducement there. If you can see, the 5 minutes is trying to give us the tiny FEG here. There is FEG here, which market has not mitigated, but it will react here because this is other block. This is another demand. But let's wait if this 5 minutes demand zone it respect this demand zone or it doesn't. But we are seeing an uptrend. This is it. Let's see what market has for us. We are still in uptrend. But if market swept it, we are coming here to continue the bullish. Sure. We are coming there to continue the bullish. That is it. Let's move to BTC. I think BTC has reached the new high point, which is 125k. 125k. Let's see. You see, that's reached there. Let's start from monthly time frame. Let's start from monthly time frame. Let's start from monthly time frame. This monthly time frame, you can see this is monthly time frame, and you can see I think this is key level here. That's the skill level there. This is skill level. My mom is calling. My mom is calling. I'm coming. Yeah, this is BTC. Let's see what is happening in BTC. Yeah, sorry. Welcome back. Let's move to weekly time frame. Let's see what is happening in weekly time frame. This is weekly time frame. This is our support. This is our resistance key level here, and this is our previous resistance which has turned to support here, and this is our support that gave us this. This is our support that gave us this resistance, which is swing. This the low the higher low that give us this higher high. Let's move to daily time frame. Let's see what's happening daily pattern. This is daily time frame, and if you can see, the daily time frame is giving us, and this is where the market started. This is break of structure, and this is change of character. As markets mitigated this demand zone, market reacted came back to this change of character order block, and this change of character order block is trying to push it up, and this is what we have break of structure here. If market closes with full body candle, let's see this daily candle, which is Sunday. Today's Sunday candlestick. If it closes with full body candle, definitely this is another break of structure, and this is the demand that gave us this break of structure, and this is the low. 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 We shift the low here. This is the low, because that's one to this recent low. This is the low that gave us this break of structure, because this is the low that gave us this internal, and this is the low that gave us. So let's move to 4 hours. This 4 hours, I think, and yesterday this way I'm expecting market to come back. You understand? So that market will just come back here and try to push it up. But if you can see, this is break of structure here. This is break of structure here. This is break of structure here. And I'm trying. This is imbalance, because it's giving us FEG here. I'm expecting market to trade this liquidity, but this is another demand zone here. If this demand does not hold it, it's coming here. But let's say this 4 hours demand. This is 4 hours demand. Let's see 1 hour. This is 1 hour. this 1 hour, and you can see this the demand. And I'm trying, let's just say, let's see, but I'm trying this will serve as liquidity which it did met. If market broke it with full body candle and come back here, market is coming back here to it. But let's just mark maybe this demand zone we hold it or not. Let's maybe it's going to hold it or not. Let's see it's going to hold it and if you can see this is break of this is another break of structure here. This is another break of structure here. If you can see this is another break of structure. Because market close with full body candle, and if you can see this is another break of structure, market has already broken. Let's say maybe change of character. I'm going to choose this as change of character here. But it's because since we are expecting market to go up, so this will serve as other block here. Let's see other block. Let's say breaker block. Sorry, breaker block. Let's see if this can hold it. Let's use 20 pips. Let's say a breaker block. If that's let's see breaker block. Let's see breaker block because I'm expecting uptrend. This let's say 26. 226.5. That is the next 126,000. 126,000 is the next key level, is the next high that I'm expecting the market, or $120,500. So let's just use the market like this. But I'm expecting market to come back here before trying up. But since it's daily candle can just be continue the uptrend seriously. Daily candle can continue the uptrend because we not control, but we just react to the market. And if you can see this break of structure here, let's see this 4 hours. Let's use Fibonacci retracement for this 4 hours. Let's use Fibonacci retracement for this hours demand. Let's see what's going. Let's see. This is what I'm seeing. This is what I'm seeing seriously. This is what I'm seeing. This is what I'm seeing. Let's see what is going to happen. Seriously. Because this is breaker block for me. But market has mitigated this imbalance, which is 4 hours. But market has not, because there is favor FEG here. But I think market is expecting this support and resistance seriously. You see what I'm saying? Is this what I'm saying? But see, let's just align with our strategy. You understand? No matter what, let's just believe in in our strategy that this what I know about the market, and this is what I'm expecting market should do for me. If we see double top, let me five. If you see double bottom here, and you can see this double bottom here, which is uptrend. But I'm expecting market will sweep this liquidity and what come back. So let's just this breaker block is Let's see what this breakout level. If this breakout level is not valid, definitely it will be change of character. Yes, it will be change of character. Seriously. So let's move to US 30. Let's see what US 30 is doing. Let's see what US 30 is doing for us. This US 30, let's see US 30. Let's see what it's doing for us. This US 30. Seriously, I'm trying. Yeah, last week I made $3 on this US 30. Seriously, I don't want to close. I don't want to close the market, but as I see the market is doing, that's why I just close the market, because my take profits that are set for the market is 4,000 46,800. That's where I set my take profit. And if you can see, market past this, because I just put high, market past it, going to 47,100 dollar, 47,100,000. And you can see this is the high of the market. Let's start from daily time frame as usual, monthly time frame as usual. If you can see from monthly time frame, market is giving us bullish, which is we should not disturb ourselves. We should continue the bullish. And if you can see, this is weekly time frame, and this is the let's say this is the support, this is the resistance, and this is the previous resistance that turned to support. If you can see, this is the key level. This is another key level here that turned to support. Let's move to daily time frame. This is daily time frame. This is our swing. This is our swing low. These are our previous swing high. This is swing low. These are previous swing high. And this swing low is giving us high. Yeah, this has given high, but we have not seen any retracement. Let's move to 4 hours. Let's see what 4 hours has for us to continue the trend. This 4 hours. And this what 4 hours has for us. Since we did not find anything on 4 hours, let's move to 1 hour to base on 1 hour. And this is 1 hour. You can see this is internal break of structure. You can see market will start from here. But me, I'm expecting market to react from here. If market does not react from here, if market does not react from here, this is 1 hour. This is 1 hour. This is 1 hour. And I'm expecting, if you can see, market mitigated here and continue the up. This way I take the buy. The last week buy I took. This way I took the buy. This 1 hour on this 1 hour demand zone, and market is trying to up. But since market is reacting here, I think this is an excursion that's later lead to continuation, because I saw this break of structure here. That's why I'm saying market is reacting, but my mind is not in demand zone because I'm expecting market to come back. That's why I did not take any trade from here. But the overall trade, I'm expecting market to come back here, because this will serve as our liquidity, because there is imbalance here. There's imbalance here. There's imbalance here, which means there's all those places are liquidity here. If market does not react from here, we are going to see breaker block from here. This is 1 hour, another 1 hour demand zone also, which is serve as our other block. I am in control of my emotions and my decisions. I trust the process. If market does not respected this, we are I am not controlled by fear. We are coming and confidence. I trade with purpose and precision. We are coming to that 1 hour. Not just into use. Because this is an internal break of structure. Is if it hold it, we are going up. But if it doesn't, we are coming down. Let's see 5 hours. No, 5 minute time frame. This 5 minute time frame, you can see this break of structure here, and this I think this break of structure here, this is change of character. Let's see what is going to happen. That is what's going to happen. I arise after every setback, stronger in myself. I do not fear failure because I need to succeed. I learn, I adapt, grow every single. I am nothing can break me from. Let's see what is going to happen. I know the best opportunity. This is. Let's move to resistance and emotions. But before we go GBPUSD. GBPUSD. I've already been saying that I don't want to be analyzing, but I used to see some opportunity here. I used to see opportunity here. So let's start from monthly time frame also. Monthly time frame, if you can see what market is trying to give us is we are in uptrend. We are in uptrend because there is key level here. Which market you can see market has just broken in, retested it twice. There is key level here. I am thankful for opportunities. How to trade and nice key level. Let's move to weekly time frame. I am working. This is the weekly time frame. This is our high, which is resistance, and this is our low. This is support. We can try as many times, and if you can read the structure, this is break of structure here. This is break of structure definitely, which means this is the this is the demand. This is the demand that gave us this demand. You understand? So, but we are having key level. Those are the key level. We see market is broken this key level with full broad candle, retest and what and it's coming down. But as for now, let's move to daily time frame. Let's see what is happening in daily time frame. This is daily time frame. This is daily time frame. This is break of structure, and this is the swing high. This is the swing. This is the swing low. I am grateful for every opportunity. You see, this is the swing. I give thanks for my. This is the swing low that gave me this break of structure here. I attract prosperity and I steward it wise. Every day, I am becoming a better trader. My trading provides freedom and abundance. And I speak life, lessons. Market gave me change of character here. I am grateful for the math. Risk. This is the key level that's trying to push it up. But this key level, this does not give us higher high. It just give us lower high. It give us lower high, which means you should continue the downtrend. And if you want to read the market, this is the demand zone market reacted to. This is the demand zone market reacted to. Seriously, this is the demand zone. Let's move to 4 hours. This is the 4 hours. I trust myself. I trust. You can see this is the demand zone. I am above and not beneath. I am ready for today. And this is the break of structure here. This is the break of structure. This serves as liquidity. After serving as liquidity, After serving as liquidity, inducement liquidity, stop this one and trying to give us downtrend. Let's move to 1 hour. Maybe you can see 1 hour because after market touches it, it gives us higher high, lower high, and the lower high is giving us break of structure. But from here, we are seeing break of structure here to uptrend, and from here we are seeing break of structure, which means even for years we have seen I'm seeing what I'm seeing internal break of structure, but let's move it from here because this is the low that gave us this high. And this is the break of structure here. This is the break of structure. I'm expecting markets to come back here. This the buy I took on Friday on Friday, but the buy did not trigger my entry. Seriously, if you can see, I found on 1 hour time I found break of structure here. After finding break of structure here, I'm expecting market to do what? To just mitigate this other block and come back and go up. But market did not. What market? But I'm seeing this is liquidity here. You can see this is liquidity here because there is imbalance here. This is inducement is here. Seriously, inducement is there. So this one is giving us we are selling the GBPUSD. We are selling it definitely, and I'm seeing we are buying from here. We are buying from here. This way we are buying the market. We are buying from here. We are buying from here, but I'm not taking. Let's just wait for our market here. We are waiting here. After waiting here, we are buying straight up. We are buying straight up. Seriously, we are buying straight up. This way we are buying straight up. Let's move to Euro USD. Let's see what this monthly time frame. You can see this monthly time frame, and the monthly time frame is giving us bullish. Seriously, it's giving us, and the recent one itself is giving us bullish. It's giving us bullish because this is the low. This is the low control and this is the low. You can see if I'm seeing I'm seeing if I can read it from this break of structure here, this is change of character. Market do what? Market will get it. This break of structure. Market came back to it, to this break now. What give us down here? This another break of structure here. So market reacted to this key level here, which touched it 2 times, which place as serve as our liquidity. I'm seeing liquidity here. After seeing liquidity, I'm expecting market to come back to come here before continuing down trade. because this is break of structure here. This is the break of structure here. And if we can read the market, we are just seeing higher, we are seeing low, higher low. So let's go to weekly time frame. This weekly time frame, this is our key level here. This is our support resistance key level. Now let's move to daily time frame. This is our high, this is our low. This is our high, this is our low. Let's move to this is our swing low, this is our swing high. Let's move to because this weekly time frame, this is our key level, which market has served as what resistance, serve as support. Daily time frame, this is our swing low and swing high. And if there is imbalance here, which this places serve as liquidity. I'm seeing liquidity here. This places serve as liquidity. And if you can read the market, this is a greater break of structure here, which market has what as swept. So let's see what's happening. This is break of structure for me. After seeing the break of structure here, this is the other block. Because internal structure, so this is change of character. Market came back to it. After market came back to it, this is another break of structure here. I am grateful for the wisdom to manage risk and factor. I celebrate my joy and resilience. My heart is full of gratitude. My mind is at peace. I am first break of structure. My trades and my life. Now, while we are running, I want you to believe in every single word you say. I am a victorious trainer. I am a victorious trainer. You see what EURUSD is doing? Just let's see 1 hour. This 1 hour time frame. We cannot say this as change of character because this is break of structure. We can only say liquidity here. Seriously, which I'm expecting market to come here. I trust myself. Before going down trend. But as for now, market is giving us uptrend. Let's just align with the uptrend. Because this is the break of structure here. Market reacted to this other block here. So after market is giving us this break of structure, internal break of structure. And after market, this is it. Let's see what's I'm not seeing opportunity here. I shouldn't lie, I'm not seeing opportunity. Not seeing any opportunity here. But I'm seeing liquidity here. There's liquidity here. 50 minutes. What I'm seeing is liquidity. What I'm seeing is liquidity, seriously. I'm seeing liquidity, market will come back to it. After market will come back to it, and you just go up, but I don't see anything here, seriously. I don't see anything. I can't force market to. I can't force market. I don't want to teach myself like that. I want to teach myself like professional, not like real gambler. You understand? I'm I'm a let's say what beginner also, but my beginner my own beginner has grade. It is not fresh. Yeah, my own beginner has grade. My own I'm just fighting with my own psychological factor. That's my own beginner. You understand? I know what I want to do. What I'm just fighting with my own psychological factor. And if you can see from this is resistance. This is resistance. This is support. Daily time frame. And you can see market has reacted to it. And from here, this liquidity market has swept this liquidity. But from daily time frame, there is imbalance here. There is imbalance here because this is our swing. This is our swing low. And this is our swing high. Those places are serve as liquidity. You understand? So as market is doing now, market gave us internal break of structure here. In internal break of structure, after market giving us internal break of structure, what did we do? What did it do? It came back here. After market came back here, what did we do? Oh, did they do? Let's use Fibonacci adjustment. Let's see what people tell us. People tell us that the market is in discount zone. No premium. Premium. So okay. Sorry for that. So let's move to 4 hours. That for 4 hours will give us structure very well. And you can see this 4 hours. This is our this is our this is our low. This is our low. And this is our lower high. This is our high. Let's see. Then this 4 hours because this break on this 4 hours. Let's see. Let's use Fibonacci retracement. Let's read it for 1 hour. This 1 hour time frame. Market break with this liquidity come up. If you can see for 1 hour, these are serve as change of character here. Seriously. And this is where market is coming. I'm expecting market to come back here because there is FEG here. FEG here. You can see this liquidity here. Market is going to show this liquidity because there is FEG here. There's FEG here. There's FEG there. Let's see what is going to happen. Market may come here. So let's see what is happening because this is change of character here. So that's it. Let's see GBPUSD. Network. Don't know what network is doing. I think this is 1 hour. In 1 hour, let's see. Okay, welcome back. The network has not given us. I think the network is somehow affecting what is causing this network. Let's see what is happening. Let's see what is causing it. Yep. Welcome back. I'm using my phone to connect. That is reason why. We are expecting markets to what to come here from weekly, but this is the place where market is doing the hard to. But I'm expecting market to come here. This is the clearest key level. Since market is in uptrend, this is the uptrend. This is the uptrend. Let's move to daily time frame. Daily time frame, this is the swing low and this is the swing high. This is the swing high market give us. And if you can see, this is the swing, and I'm seeing this is the minor swing low that gave us another minor swing high. This break of structure. You understand? So I move to daily time frame. Let's see what is happening in daily time frame. If you can see, this is break of structure here. Let's read it from here. This is break of structure. This is change of character. Sorry, this is change of character order block. This is break of structure. Market mitigated it, and what did the market did? Market just come back. This is break of structure here. Understand? And you can see this is another break of structure. And after the break of structure, market did what? Market give us another break of structure here. Market give us another break of structure here. And if we are going to read it, the market is giving us bullish signal because this is break of structure. The internal break of structure here. This is the internal break of structure here. Internal break of structure here. Internal break of structure here. And this is the other block here. This will serve as flip. You understand? Well, this is the other block that gave us the change of character. And This is the zone I'm expecting market because there's liquidity here. If you move to 1 hour, you will see the liquidity that the liquidity show very well on 1 hour. This is the liquidity here on 1 hour. And what we are doing now, this since this is change break of structure, this change of character, let's use Fibonacci retracement to see this what is happening from here. From 1 hour, market reacted to this, but I'm seeing. Let's see what market has for us because this. Let's see. This is it. But I don't think there is opportunity here because this week candle shows that market has already mitigated, and there is FEG here. I show that market has already been mitigated. So from here, I'm seeing change of character, break of structure here, which we are expecting market to come here. Market will come here and will continue the uptrend. Let's see what is going to happen for 1 hour. This 1 hour, this break of structure here. This is another break of structure here. Let's see what's is going to happen from here. This is it. But I'm expecting markets to sell from here. To sell from here. I'm expecting market to sell from here. That is what I'm expecting. Seriously. So this what I have. This is what we have. Sorry. So I pray may this week favor us. We should print out the blue. We should print out the blue out. The blue money. We do not want the green. We do not want the red itself. We want the blue print out today during this week. Inshallah, I pray so. May Almighty God help us and guide us through our trading journey, and may He give us the patient focus, focus and confidence to be taking our trade. You understand? So this is what we have for the week. I really love you all. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the support. I really appreciate you all. Thank you, thank you, thank you. One love, one love, one love. Let's not forget before we go. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like. Understand? Peace and love. Have a beautiful, have a wonderful, have a blessing week ahead. May Almighty God help us through. Thanks, 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 thanks. One love.